Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and that you're logged in on your device with logged in into your Google account. If you're not sure how to do it, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it, because only thanks to it you will be able to follow all of my steps. So let's enter the Play Store. Now we have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. That's why we have to be logged in. You can do it right here in this section. And then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all installed apps. So let's tap on Updates Available. And here we've got the list of all of the apps which we can update. So if you want, you can mark all of them. It's up to you. If not, just find the options you'd like to download and update, and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.